It was to get updated on the latest trends regarding retail and design. It has already been stated in many of the seminars that I have participated today. Our industry is very competitive and the environment is changing a lot, and we need to be upfront and need to be able to adapt to these new tendencies. And it's always inspiring to hear how other companies are facing the same challenges and what they want to do to accommodate those changes in the market. It has been very well spent today, and I believe that tomorrow will be even better, because I know that the speakers, at least based on the titles of the speakers, will be very interesting for me to follow.